Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. Okay, in last class we discussed about averages. Yes, children? Yes. In today's class also, I am going to explain about averages only. Okay, exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Sixth problem. Okay. Yesterday Samar asked, sixth problem I have doubt teacher, explain teacher asked. Okay. I will explain now. Sixth problem only. First, take out the textbook. All of you take out the textbook and running notes and sit properly on your videos. Good. On your videos, Revel Sanjay, K. Akshaya, Rutwik Reddy, Shashi, Kamampati Harshad, Harika. Okay. Harika on your video and Harshad also. Okay, students. Write sixth one. Exercise 6.2, sixth problem. Sixth one. The average height of eight girls is 118.5 centimeters. The heights of the seven girls are 120.4 centimeters. It's 116.4 centimeters. 118.2 centimeters. 115.9 centimeters. 121.6 centimeters. 119.5 centimeters and 110.8 centimeters. Find the height of the eighth girl. Height of the eighth girl. Once again read question, children. The average height of 8 girls is 118.5 centimeters. In this question given, in this problem given, 8 girls average height given. Okay, 8 girls height, average of height of 8 girls given. Next, the heights of the 7 girls. 7 girls height also given. 7 girls height also given. First one is 120.4 centimeters. Next one. 7 girls height also given. Next we have to find out here. Find out the height of the 8th girl. Find out the height of the 8th girl. Okay, 8th girl height how much? We have to find out here. Okay, how can we solve this problem? First average principle you know, and some of the quantities principle also we know already. Okay, first problem what given first we have to write first of all. Okay, first the average height of 8 girls. Okay, the average height of 8 girls. The average of height of 8 girls. Eight girls. Okay, you continuation only write down, ma. You continuation write down. I don't have place here sufficient. That's why I am writing next step. But you continuation only write down. 118.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, the heights of the 7 girls. The heights of the 7 girls. So what is this? Sum of the quantities. We have to find out here sum of the quantities. Sum of the heights. Sum of the height. Heights are 7 girls. Heights are 7 girls. 7 girls, 120.4 centimeters plus 116.4 centimeters plus 118.2 centimeters plus next 115.9 centimeters plus 121.6 centimeters plus 119.5 centimeters plus 110.8 centimeters. What is the sum of these heights? What is the sum of these heights? 948 centimeters. Add children. You get answer that one only. Okay? Add 948 centimeters. Okay? First of all, the average of height of 8 girls. 8 girls height given here. Average, that is height, average given 118.5 centimeters. Next, sum of the heights of, how to came this teacher? Yes, this is side trick 948. Add these numbers. Add these numbers, boy. Add these heights. Do you know addition? I think. Do you know addition or not? Side trick. Do you know addition? Add it. Okay. 948 centimeters is sum of the height of 7 girls. Okay. Next, continuation only. Next word given. Okay. Find the height of the 8th girl. Now 8th girl height not given. We have to find out that one. So 8th girl height is, we have to take x. Okay. 8th girl height. 8th girl height is x. Now x equal what? Okay, x equal what? We have to find out that. Okay, now what we do first? Sum of the height. Sum of the height equal to average into number of girls. Sum of the heights. Sum of the heights equal average into number of girls. Number of girls. Sum of the heights Sum of the heights 948 centimeters. Next, one more girl height also have here, but not given. So we have to choose that one X. We have to think that one X. So 948 centimeters plus X. 7 girls height is 948 centimeters plus X. Okay, equal average. What is average of 8 girls height? 118.5 centimeters. 118.5 centimeters into number of girls. Number of girls, the average of 8 girls. So, number of girls 8. First of all, we have to do multiply. 118.5 into 8. 812. No. Once again. Sorry. 822.8 centimeters. This is 822.8 centimeters. You have to write here 822.8 centimeters. Okay. Now multiply children. 118.5 centimeters into 8. It's 948. Okay. First of all, the average of height of 8 girls 118.5 centimeters. Next, sum of the heights of 7 girls. Sum of the heights of 7 girls is 822.8 centimeters. Next, 8th girl height. We don't know. 8th girl height is we don't know. So we have to take X that one. Sum of the heights equal to average into number of girls. That is principle of sum of the quantities. Sum of the quantities. So 822.8 centimeters is plus X. 8th girl height equal 118.5 centimeters into 8. This is multiplication. Do multiplication, we get 948 centimeters. Now, what is X? What is 8th girl height? Height of 8th girl. X equal 948 minus 822.8 centimeters right here. Okay, here 822.8 centimeters plus is there. This is positive number. This positive number plus number. Here sending equal out that side. Then becomes minus 822.8 centimeters. Okay, next X equal, yes, 125 point, very good sign, 125.2 centimeters. This is 8th girl height. Height of 8th girl. $125.2 centimeters. Next, once again I will explain. Afterwards, if you have any doubt, ask children. Okay. First of all, the average height of 8 girls height given here. Average 8 girls height average given here. Next, 7 girls height also given. You have to find out average given, 7 girls height also given. Next, we have to find out only 8 girl height. Okay. How can we find out first? In question what given, we have to write first. Average, what is average 8 girls height? Next, okay, I am explaining. First listen. First, the average of 8 girls, write down first of all. What is that? 118.5 centimeters. Next, sum of the heights, 7 girls. 7 girls height also given. So we have to add that numbers. We get answer 822.8 centimeters. Here adding after we will get answer 822.8 centimeters. Next we have to find out 8th girl height. 8th girl height we don't know. We don't know 8th girl height. We have to find out that one only. So we have to take that one x. Then value of x. What is x? We have to find out. Next, sum of the heights. Average equal to sum of the quantities by number of quantities. We know that principle. Next, average of quantities equal to, sum of the quantities equal to average into number of quantities. Then here, quantities place here given heights. So, sum of the heights equal to average into number of girls. What is average? 118.5 centimeters. Number of girls, 8 girls given. So write 8 girls. Here, sum of the heights here, only 7 girls height only given. 7 girls height is 822.8 centimeters plus x. 8th girl also is there here. So 8th girl is height we don't know. So x write down. Next here, 118.5 centimeters into 8. What is that product? 948 centimeters. Then x, value of x. X is here 948 minus 822.8 centimeters. We subtract 7 girls height and average into number of girls. What is that product? 948. You have to subtract those numbers. Then 8 girl height we have to find out. X equal 125.2 centimeters. The height of 8th girl is 125.2 centimeters. Then if you have any doubt in this problem, you ask me. Okay, Samarsan chart. Rashekar Reddy. Okay. Not understand teacher, understand teachers. Chalamala Satvik Reddy. Next. Still, if you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. How to get this answer? Subtract 948. 948.0. Next 822.8. Subtract. 0 minus 8. 0 becomes 10. 7. 2.5. 2. 1. Side quick. 125.2 centimeters. Next 900 and Rehan 948. Okay. Still now, if you have any doubt, raise your hand, children, in your mobile. Understand. Okay, Rutvik. Okay, today 25 members present. What happened? What about remaining students? No doubts, teacher. Okay, children. Next, remaining problems, try to your own. Then if you have any doubt, you ask me in next class. In tomorrow class, I will explain those problems also. Okay. Same this method only. Next problem, 7th one also. Next 8th one also. Okay, then if you have any doubt, you call me. In tomorrow class, I will explain next problems also. 7th one and 8th one also. In tomorrow class, I will explain, children. Write this one. Okay, children. What about worksheets? Some children only taken. Okay. See, I will read names. G. Charan, Parne Harshit, Revelli Sanjay, Mende Shruti, Rajshekar, Krutvik, Vignesh, Satvik, Chalamala Satvik and Dulam Satvik. Next to Sumasri, Sana, Sri Shant, Pritam Reddy, K Bhavani, K Akshaya, Nirma, Rizwan. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 members are taken. What about remaining students? Sai Rutvik? What about Sai Rutvik, Abhiram, Aditya, Shashi Tarun? Meghana? What about you? Huh? Today only giving and tomorrow onwards not giving. Tomorrow onwards we will start worksheet. Tomorrow onwards only. Before 29th only you collect your worksheets. Already we sent message. Only today only last date. Tomorrow we will start worksheet amount. Up to 5th only you complete worksheet and you submit me. And on 6th and 7th, okay, I will send pic. Nirma, don't worry, first listen. On 6th and 7th dates you have exam on worksheets. Harini, what about you? Huh? Do you want or not? Worksheet. Vasa worksheet. What about you? Vasa worksheet. Today you come to school and take. Okay, you collect your worksheet. On your videos, first. Today afternoon time you come to school and you collect your worksheets. All of you. Kamampati Harshat. Today you come to school and you collect boy. Next Vasa worksheet. Harini, okay. Now you are along with your father you come girl in uniform. Okay? With uniform you come to school and you take. Meghana. Okay, I will come today. Very good. Next, Vasa worksheet. What about you? Sit properly. Aditya. Akla Aditya. Karthik. Where is Karthik? Karthik not there. Rishika. Mailaram Rishika. What about you? Shashitaran, on your video. Charan, Vignesh, Bhavani and Rajshekar. On your videos. Okay. Those who did not collect worksheets, today you compulsory, you come to school and you collect your worksheets children. Okay? Meghana, worksheet and Sai Rutvik, Akla Aditya, Shashi Tarun, Ajay. What about Ajay? Today not present in class. Ajay? Okay. Shashi Tarun, Aditya. Okay, children. Write down. Last class I showed already worksheet. Okay, this is your worksheet, children. Video not coming. Video is coming. I think your mobile problem. Once you log out and log in. Unmute her. No boy, mute only. No, in mute only have. Sai Rutvik, do you have doubt? Sai Rutvik, Kamampati Harshat, Satvik. Sai Rutvik, what is your doubt? In your mobile, keep it unmuted.
Teacher, uniform not there, teacher.
Okay.
Civil dress okay, teacher.
Your civil dress only. Okay, next. Satvik. is Dulam Satvik? Or Kamampati Harshad? Dulam Satvik. Yes, Satvik. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask boy. What is your doubt?
టీచర్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఎక్కడ టీచర్ ఎగ్జామ్ షీట్ లో వెళ్తారా టీచర్
First, you complete your worksheet. On 5th, you submit your teachers. Okay, in school.
ఓకే టీచర్
Next, on 6th and 7th, you have exam on worksheet. In school only. School and you write exam and you submit your teachers and go. Next day,
Okay, teacher.
on 8th, we will give result. Okay.
ఓకే టీచర్
Next, Harshad. In your mobile, keep it unmute and ask boy. Harshad, on your video first.
టీచర్
Ah,
ఈ రోజు ఒక్క రోజే ఇస్తారా టీచర్ వర్క్ షీట్స్
yes, boy. Before 29th, tomorrow onwards, we will start worksheet. That's why we said.
ఓకే
This week, sit properly. Today, up to afternoon, you come to school along with your parents. You come to school and you collect your worksheet.
ఓకే టీచర్
Hmm? Yes, you pay your online fees also. Okay, Harshad.
ఓకే టీచర్
Okay, you pay your online fees and you collect your worksheets. In our class, 17 members are taken collected worksheets. Next, remaining members also collect your worksheets, children. Okay.
ఓకే టీచర్
Teacher doubt, Hrutvik. Okay. In your mobile, keep it unmute, boy. Hrutvik.
సార్ 2 days కమ్మా టీచర్ స్కూల్
Huh?
2 days కమ్మా టీచర్ స్కూల్
No. If you are available on 6th, you come to on 8th only, 6th only. Otherwise, on 7th also, you come and write.
ఓకే టీచర్
Only one day,
Okay.
6th and 7th.
ఓకే టీచర్
Not 2 days.
ఓకే
You
టీచర్
come on 6th, you can write and you go.
ఓకే టీచర్
Your wish that one. On 6th or 7th, your wish that one. Okay? Okay, children? Did you understand, Amma? About worksheet, if you have any doubt, and on this topic also, if you have any doubt, you ask. And you call me. Next remaining problems, and 7th one, 8th one also, if you have any doubt, you call me, you ask me. In tomorrow class, I will explain. Okay, children? Thank you, children.